Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud Guru. I hope you are enjoying my videos and please subscribe me and support me. I am coming up with a lot more shortcuts and viral tips for you guys. So today I have came up with how to do undo, how we can use the undo button, or if we are doing some work, we want to do something by mistake, we have typed something, we have draw something, and we need to do undo. How we can achieve that? So I am just opening my Word to show you how we can achieve that. I am opening my Word document. I am just clicking the a blank document. So I just want to show you my keyboard also, so you can understand very fastly. So I have opened, I am just typing welcome to the Cloud Guru. I did a big mistake while typing something, so I wrongly typed something like something, you can say, and you want to undo this. You can use the backspace. Simply you can remove the data 100%. I am sure. Plus, just try Control Z. What it will happen? It will undo everything. So more simply, I will show you something. I am just opening the Paintbrush app from the Windows. So if I am opening the Paintbrush tab, I am just drawing something. So I drew a circle, then I put some diamonds, some lines, heart, and all of a sudden I thought that I don't want this love in this picture, or I need to edit it. So what is the way? What you can do, you can simply select the eraser and you can start scrubbing it on the screen with your mouse and you can delete it. But more simpler way is on your way. So you just need to press Control Z. So what it will happen, it will select your program and do Control Z. It is already removed from your screen. If you press again, it will again wipe out your screen. So whatever you want to undo, you can use Control Z. So thanks for watching me. Please subscribe me. Thank you.